We are off the beaten path for you in Las Vegas at the Edge of Town Bar and Grill.
You can be a Golden Knight even if you don't play hockey.
Enjoy some great gourmet apps, which we will explore in another video.
Here we get two great cocktails, which bartender extraordinaire Eric Snyder, aka Fish, whipped up for us.
Now the first is the Mangotini.
Which is mango vodka and coconut rum. Kind of right up my alley, You know what I mean? Ooh, that is very, very yummy.
Okay.
You gotta get this when you come here. Try it. So good.
Well, that's really good. But that does have a feel of a cosmopolitan, with a little different twist on it.
Yeah. And I would say if you like a Cosmo, you'll like this. If you think a Cosmo is a little bit too strong on the alcohol flavor, you'll like this better because it's very light on the alcohol. The mango is very sweet, and you just taste a little bit of the coconut. It's really delicious.
Yeah, really.
Martinis are very popular everywhere you go. This one is indigenous to the Edge of Town because everyone wants a nice, refreshing martini, especially in the hot summer months here. So what we're going to do is we're going to ice up your tin like that. We're going to pour some mango vodka. We're going to do some coconut rum. We have a little pineapple juice. A little cranberry juice. Again, give it a nice shake. Strain it over. Look at that beautiful, different kind of martini glass. Like that. I like to garnish everything with an orange. Why not?
This has a kind of a feel of a cosmopolitan. With
It does have a feel of
more
cosmopolitan, yeah, but we put our own special touch on it. So.
You've got the Edge tea.
This is the Edge tea. This is kind of their takeoff on the Long Island iced tea, and
signature drink for here, though. So it's one of the ones they do like to serve. Very popular.
ooh, that's a scary drink. Just like a Long
All right,
Island iced tea.
you weren't going to let me try it. I saw you
No,
put it down.
I wasn't going to.
Trying to
No.
not take it away from me.
I know what you're like. So.
Oh God, that doesn't even taste
You know,
like there's any alcohol in it.
If you come up here and you have this, be careful.
Uber, Lyft,
Yeah.
taxi. That's all we have to say. Yeah. This is like you could drink 20 of these and not even know that it was.
You would know after 2. I would know after 2.
That's yummy. That's super refreshing
really good.
too. That's delicious.
The Edge tea, once you're going to make it, put some ice in the shaker, you're going to put some ice in a glass, and we'll show you how to make this concoction. You take all your white liquors, which we have in one bottle like this, give it a good 3 count. Then we're going to put some lemonade, which we have on the gun. A little bit of iced tea. And then we're going to do a little peach nectar on top of that. Give it a good shake. I'll strain it over some ice. Oops. Oh, look at that. Like
So
that.
is this reminiscent of a Long Island iced tea?
This is reminiscent of Long Island iced tea, but it's got our own special orange like that. Let's garnish it with an orange. Yeah, but we put our own special spin on it like that. So.
And these are just 2 of the inventive drinks at the Edge of Town,
Have them while watching some games or having some apps.
which we explore next.